Eye makeup, spray face, flawless filter, shade 4.5, Haus Labs foundation, shade 230, blend, contour face, shade cool bronze, blend nose contour, liquid highlighter, shade Dawn, liquid blush, shade Believe, blend more, fill in brows, shade Universal Taupe, brow gel, fluff them up, concealer under the eyes, shade Medium, more concealer to brighten, shade Light Medium, blend other side, apply on eyelids and forehead, powder down under eye, shade 3, powder nose contour, shade 3, powder bronzer, same shade, powder blush, shade Hibiscus Haze, powder highlighter, shade Exhilarate, highlighter on tip of nose, eyeshadow, Ethereals palette, clean up eyeshadow, clean up the other side, eyeshadow under eye, same palette, inner corner highlight, shade Exhilarate, gray, fan, mascara, Limitless mascara, lip liner, shade Pillow Talk, lipstick, shade Pillow Talk, lip gloss, shade Pillow Talk, set face, fan, powder T-zone, powder above jaw, shade Comfy, all done.